wonderful people, and welcome back. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to pin the first comment on this video, y'all, so go ahead and do it. This is my first steps. You go ahead and print your coupons, get yourself together, or you starting your app, which is my next scene. You're going to want to scan your card 3 times at very least. Yes, it sounds stupid, but you get all your coupons when you do that, and then you get more coupons at the register for like, you know, 30% off your purchase or $20 off of a purchase of this amount, stuff like that. So always make sure you keep all the coupons you get. If you're new to CVS, it will not automatically just give you a whole bunch of coupons. You do have to shop to get them. Now, when you go on the app, you're going to look through the coupons before you start your transaction and save them. Don't not save them, because if you wait to save them once you start your transaction, they're not going to be in their system. So you're going to end up doing all that for nothing and then have to start your transaction over, and it makes everything difficult for you and the cashier. The app does glitch, so anything that says it's duplicated is not real. This is what I decided to get today. It tells you right here that what the limit is. So 1 per household, so 1 per CVS card to get this actual $3 sale. It's on a discounted price for $7.99 rather than the regular. And if you buy 1, you get $3. Mind the wording on every ad. I decided to get this Venus one because these are my preferred razors. I showed you this in my first couponing video, and it's exactly what they asked for. They're disposable, not the regular ones, okay? So then we're going to go on the app, and I'm going to show you 2 coupons that would not qualify for this sale, mainly because you have to watch the wording like I said before. This one is a men's specific coupon. It excludes disposable razors, and you have to be buying more than 1 for this coupon to apply. When you get to this next one, it's a women's one, but it also excludes disposable razors, and then you also have to buy 2 to get this dollar amount off. The coupon that I end up using is just a generic Venus Gillette minus X amount of dollars coupon for a manufacturer that is saved onto my card already. When I go into the register, it shows you the sale price that it rings up for already once you scan your CVS card first. And then it'll take off 1 coupon, which is my $2 manufacturer coupon. And then the $5 coupon is my cash money coupon. Now, they don't show you what a coupon is on the receipt. So I'm going to show you right here. It does tell you at the top what you actually pay once the discounts come off. But then it shows you on the underline the original price, the promo price, and then your savings amount. Now, when you see the savings amount, it shows you broke it down a little bit easier. $2 off Gillette or Venus, then manufacturer coupon. That's how you know that was the extra bucks. Now, I did want to show you this little section where it'll tell you how much you have towards spending to get to the next deal. And then it also tells you how many times you've used a promo. So if it was one that you could do it multiple times, you know, okay, I've done it once, I can do it this many times. It'll tell you offer limit reached, so you know in the future. Then you're going to look at your extra bucks. I've had people actually ask me how to read it. Now, it's $3 that you got back, and then the bottom is just how you got it. This is not telling you, and I'm going to go ahead and end this video
you have
out.
to
My
spend
next
it
video,
on
I'm
that
going to show you
item,
guys how
you know what I mean?
sort out
So,
my
yeah.
coupons to plan out when I'm going to coupon like large amounts of things, okay? So subscribe so you can see when it's coming. See you next time. Bye.